Household appliance power cord flexing tester. Designed to IEC 603351 Figure 8. Evaluate power cord durability. Simulate real-life bending conditions. Test cord anchorage performance. Assess cable flexing resistance. Verify long-term mechanical endurance. Suitable for household appliances. Touchscreen control system. Simple parameter setup. Real-time test monitoring. Programmable test cycles. Automatic cycle counting. Stable motor-driven operation. Adjustable flexing angles. High testing accuracy. Reliable and repeatable results. Automatic stop function. Continuous durability evaluation. Measure cord fatigue resistance. Assess strain relief effectiveness. Support compliance testing. Ideal for quality control. Suitable for laboratory testing. Test electric kettles. Test vacuum cleaners. Test hair dryers. Test electric irons. Test food processors. Test household appliances. IEC compliant testing solution. Improve product reliability. Reduce potential failures. Support product certification. Professional cable durability testing. Accurate bending simulation. Efficient testing process. Dependable testing performance. Designed for daily laboratory use. Reliable cable evaluation solution. Power cord flexing test apparatus.